Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will learn how to use the SUM and SUMIF function in Excel. Also, you can find the link to download this Excel practice sheet in the description below. So let's get started. So here we have a sample data set of items. Now these are fruits. Then we have their quantities, price per unit, and a total price of these fruits. Now our first task is to find the total quantity of all these fruits together. So we will use the sum function here. So here in this cell, I'll write equals sum and then open parentheses, and then we will select these numbers, the quantity rows, as you can see all of these, and then I will close the parentheses and hit enter, and we have a total of 2550 fruits. Next is we want to find the total price of all these items, so we will use simply the sum formula again. I'll write equals sum open parentheses, and then we are going to sum all of the prices here. So I will select this column or these total price rows, and then I will close the parentheses and hit enter. And this is the total price of all these items, $12,900. Now we have the SUMIF function. Now the SUMIF function is used to sum particular values when we meet a specific criteria. So here for our example, I have again taken the same data set. We have the item, quantity, price per unit, and total price. And I have these questions, and we are going to solve these questions using the SUMIF function. So the first question is total price of items priced at $5 per unit. So we want to find the total price of those items which are priced at $5 per unit. So here I'll write equals SUMIF and then parentheses. Now, first thing is the range. Now, this range is going to be what we want to calculate. What is the criteria? So here, as you can see, we want to find the total price of items priced at $5 per unit. So this per unit is going to be our range. So I will select this column of price per unit. All right, then here I'll write comma. Next is the criteria. Now the criteria is the $5 per unit. So the criteria is here $5. So I'll write 5 and then comma. And then we have the sum range. We want to find the total price of those items. So the sum range is going to be this total price column. So I select this one. I'll close the parentheses and hit enter. And as you can see, the total price is $2,500. Similarly, let's move to next question. It says we want to find the total price of items with quantity greater than 400. Here again, I'll use the SUMIF formula. I'll write equals SUMIF and then parentheses and then the range. Now here the range is going to be the quantity column. So I will select the quantity column, this one, and then I'll write comma. Then we have the criteria. Now criteria is going to be quantity greater than 400. So here I'll write greater than 400, something like this, and then comma. Then we have the sum range. We want to find again the total price of those items. So I will select the total price columns, something like this, and I will just close the parentheses and hit enter. And this is the total price of items with quantity greater than 400. All right. Next is the total price of items starting with letter B. So here you can see the bananas start with letter B and so do blueberries. So for this one, again, we are going to use the SUMIF function. So I'll write equals SUMIF parentheses. Now we have the range. Now in this case, the range is going to be name of the item because we want to look for the letter B. So I will select the names column right here, and then I'll write comma, and then the criteria is going to be the word that starts with letter B. So here I'm going to write this B and then star. Now this B means anything that starts with B, and this star means that anything can come after that B. All right, then we have the sum range. We want to find the total price. So again, I will select the total price. And here, I'll just close the parenthesis and hit enter. And we have the total price of items starting with letter B, that is $5,800. All right. Next is total quantity of items starting with letter B. So in this case, we want to find the quantity of items starting with letter B. So here I'll write the formula equals SUMIF and then parentheses, and here we want to select the range. Now the range is going to be the letter B, right? So this is the name. So we will select the name of the items. So this column right here, and then comma. And then we want to have a criteria. The criteria is again going to be the ones that start with letter B. So just like we did earlier, I'll write B and then star and then a comma. Then we have the sum range. Now here we want to find the total quantity of items. So I will select the quantity column. And now I will just close the parenthesis and hit enter. So the total quantity of items starting with letter B is 1150. Now the last question is total quantity of items priced above $4 per unit. So we want to find the quantity of items that are priced above $4 per unit. Again, we'll use the SUMIF function. Very simple. I'll write equals SUMIF and then parentheses. Now here we have the range. What is going to be our range? We are looking for this $4 per unit. So I'm going to select this price per unit column. So this will be our range and then comma. Next is the criteria. Now here we are looking for the $4 per unit, right? So basically I'm just going to write here greater than $4. Very simple. And then we have the sum range. We want to find the total quantity of items. So our sum range is going to be this quantity column. I will just close the parenthesis and hit enter. And the total quantity of items priced above $4 per unit is 1600. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. Also, the link to this practice sheet will be in the description below. Now make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.